Hi you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new Stitch Fix video. So if you are new to Stitch Fix, it is a styling service. So you are teamed up with a stylist and they communicate with you through their website. You can link your Pinterest board, you go through a survey and fill out your body type and things that you want to conceal, things you want to accentuate, colors you like, all sorts of things. So all you have to do is fill out the survey and then your stylist will create outfits for you and then they send it to your house and you try it on in the comfort of your own home, which I absolutely love. If you're a mom like me or if you're just busy and you don't have time to shop for yourself, this is awesome. So all you do is you try on the stuff in your own home and then you send back whatever you don't. They provide a prepackaged mailer, so you just have to drop it off at your local post office or mail center. Definitely take a picture of your return label to show proof that you have sent it back. Get that receipt at the post office or wherever it is that you drop off. You can always get a receipt if you're sending something out. So you guys are probably thinking to yourself, Gina, I thought you were going to take a break from Stitch Fix, and I did. I took a break and I tried Fashion Out a few times. I tried Fashion Out about 3 times, and you guys, if I'm being 100% honest, nothing has compared to Stitch Fix thus far. So when I was decluttering my closet, I kept all of my Stitch Fix clothes. I ditched the ones I would get from Target and Old Navy because the quality of those clothing pieces were just not the same as Stitch Fix. I have put my Stitch Fix clothes in the wash so many times. I've used the accessories, the shoes, jewelry, and they all last really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the haul and share with you guys everything that came in my box for this month. So this month I actually didn't leave any stylist note at all. So this is literally like a surprise fix for me. So first thing I got are these oval hoop drop earrings. It's called Tay or Tie, one of the two, but this is what it is. And they're just hoop drop earrings, and I think that these are super cute. Super cute. So this is what they look like right here. They are just some gold drop hoops, and they have some rhinestone detail, and I just think that these are really pretty, and this is my type of earring, definitely. I prefer more statement earrings versus studs. I'll wear any type of earrings, but these are my absolute favorite, so I'm excited to get those. And I've been trying to, and one of my goals for 2019 is to accessorize a little bit more, so having some new jewelry to accessorize with is always fun, so I'll go ahead and put that there. And then the next thing I got is this Collective Concepts Dahlia crochet trim dress. So this is the dress right here. It is a green floral dress, really cute. So don't worry, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys. So this is the dress. I absolutely love that. And then the next thing I got is the 41 Hawthorne Green Island Dolman jersey knit top, and this is in dark purple. Purple is my absolute favorite color. If you guys didn't know, purple. Alright you guys, so this was my Stitch Fix for this month. So I'm actually going to be doing a Stitch Fix video every single month because I do love it. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually not going to share prices with you guys because I feel like pricing can steer people away. But what I want you guys to do is just to give the box a try. If you sign up at the link below, you're going to get a free styling, which is worth $25. And I would just encourage you guys just to give it a try just one time. So you have nothing to lose when the styling service is for free, right? So just go ahead and give it a try. If anything, you can get a stylist's point of view on some items that maybe would work well with your body, or maybe you don't know what type of colors to pick for your skin tone. I would highly suggest this in terms of just trying it out just once and then let you be the judge in terms of if you want to keep anything or not. So going forward, I'm not going to share prices in my Stitch Fix hauls because I want you guys to make the decision for yourself. I don't want my video to steer you away if something is more expensive than what you normally would pay for something, but in my experience as I went through a closet declutter is I've kept all of my Stitch Fix clothes, but I've ditched the Old Navy clothes, I've ditched the Target clothes because they're good for a season, but I have found that in the wash cycle, in terms of the longevity of the clothing, they're just not as good. In terms of what I'm going to be spending my money on in terms of clothing, I'm going to go more for quality over quantity. So if that means you just get a Stitch Fix box once a year and you treat yourself to a nice piece of clothing one piece a year, I would highly suggest you do it, because I am seeing, like I said, I'm seeing that the pieces that I have kept in my own closet are things that I have picked up from Stitch Fix. So the clothing is on point, and the stylist's input in terms of what to style you and what to pick out for you, I just absolutely love the service of someone styling for me, because I do kind of struggle in that department in terms of what is stylish, what I should piece together, and I absolutely love the style cards that they offer. So I would highly encourage you guys, just go ahead and just try it out one time. You have nothing to lose, especially when the styling service is free. So definitely click the link below and get yourself signed up for Stitch Fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it, and leave in the comment section below what you guys think I should be keeping out of this fix. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.